Hey everyone, Splat Action Art Studio is a great space to make messy art without the fear of ruining your home and furniture. Located in South Pasadena, Splat offers a handful of single or group experiences that you can book online. Not sure how our kids would like it, we opted for the 30-minute single sessions. Arriving 15 minutes before our session, the spacious studio looked to have room for well over a dozen guests to paint simultaneously, and a lot of extra space for group activities. Our station was prepped with paint, brushes, and other random objects for the girls to enjoy. As our kids started, we thought they would immediately begin to launch paint, but our consistent nagging over the years for cleanliness instilled in our kids the reluctance to make a mess. In the back of my head, I was super proud, but for this occasion, we had to work on loosening them up. Thankfully, there are plenty of excellent examples spread throughout the studio, and the owners, along with instructional videos, showed them plenty of different ways to paint without guardrails. While they might not have been splattering the paint, our kids thoroughly enjoyed the experience, the time flew by, and it seemed adequate because the canvas was fully covered by the time the 30 minutes was up. The biggest surprise of the experience was having to pick up our girls' art at a later date. However, the owners said they put their art through additional processes to ensure their art looks the best. Also, they guarantee to hold on to the art for 30 days and will generally do their best to hold on to the piece until you can retrieve it. In addition to Splat, the studio's surrounding area is teeming with interesting shops and well-reviewed foods. We enjoyed eating pizza and drinking boba with friends before our reservation, and it only added to our experience visiting Splat. If you're looking for even more fun things to do around LA, browse our LA County playlist. We're sure you'll find something good. Have a great one.
Thanks for watching our show.